My name is Fernando, and I came from Portugal. I work at EDP, and I'm a procurement manager specialist.
And what was the reason to come to this project?
The reason was this a forum that is very interesting for my business, for my area of specialty, and was a great opportunity also for share my experience in this field and collect some very insightful presentations about the engineering, procurement, and construction world, and with project management inside.
And what do you think about the presentation, about the speakers? It was interesting for you?
Yeah, very interesting. It's very useful for us sharing the knowledge and collect new knowledge, because we always want to be in the top of the class, being in the best of the class, and to achieve that we will always need to look for more information, more knowledge, share knowledge, and participate in this kind of forums. It is a great place to achieve more knowledge, more speciality, and so on.
And did you meet some interesting people here?
Yeah, lots of people, very interesting. Yeah, lots of people from other countries, from people that was very interested in the presentation that I made, in the work that my company EDP is working, and for leading the energy transition. I think that I put insight about that is very useful for me. I believe we have a major commitment to fight against climate changes. So it was very pleasant for me. Look that the audience was very interested in the presentation that I bring, talking about the renewables, the sources for producing electricity.
And the last question, what do you think about the location?
The audition?
The location and
Okay, the location is perfect. Amsterdam is a very beautiful city. What was the first time that I traveled to Amsterdam? Yeah. It was also a great opportunity to know people, but also know the city and their culture. It is very rich, and this also enriches as a person and as a professional.
thank you so much.
Thank you.